From the main AssemblyTube website, use the menu to find PowerPoints section. Here you can see there are lots and lots of videos of PowerPoints. These are summaries showing the contents of all of our PowerPoints. There are several pages here and lots of PowerPoints. You can click on a video and watch what that PowerPoint contains. If you want to download that particular PowerPoint, click that button and go to the downloads page of the main website and find the PowerPoint that you're looking for. Click on it and then you're able to download that, and you'll be asked to pay via PayPal. It will download immediately. If you want to save money and have a lot of PowerPoints for low cost, join the club. For a single payment, as a club member, you have access to all of our PowerPoints, about 150 of them. This is where they are. They're in the database download section. You can click on them, find the one that you're looking for, have a look at it, and there's a download button at the top. When you click on that download button, the PowerPoint will immediately download to your computer and you can use it straight away. Thanks for listening.